1. Pull-ups. Pulling your body up to a parallel bar requires serious strength and solid grip. Next time you've completed a set of pull-ups, take a look at your forearms, they'll be pumped. How to do a perfect pull-up. 1. Leap up and grip the bar, with your hands shoulder-width apart, and your palms facing away from you. Hang with your arms fully extended. You can bend your legs at the knee if they're dragging on the ground. 2. Keep your shoulders back, and your core engaged throughout. Then pull up. Focus on enlisting every upper body muscle to aid your upward endeavors. 3. Move slowly upward until your chin is above the bar. Then equally slowly downward until your arms are extended again. 4. Aim for 10 pull-ups, but be prepared to fall short. There are plenty of ways to build up to even your first full pull-up. Start by getting used to your own body weight. By holding a dead hang for as long as possible, without even bothering to try and pull yourself up. You can also prep for pull-ups by strengthening your back and arms by doing push-ups. 2. Dead hang. Dead hangs are a great way to build grip strength. As the name suggests, all you have to do is hang from an overhead bar, with your arms outstretched, and your body in the hollow position. New to the hand? Begin by gripping the bar, 20 to 30 seconds at a time. Dead hang challenge, select a weight with which you can perform 15 comfortable pull-ups. That may be your body weight alone. Or you may be able to add 5 to 10 kg via a weighted vest or dipping belt. Your challenge is to hang at the bottom portion of the lift for 1 or 2 minutes. It's not as easy as it sounds, and to make it tougher, retract your shoulder blades as if you were about to perform an actual pull-up, and hold that position. This is extremely useful for those looking to quickly gain strength on the pull-up. What worked best for you? Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.